Hello, my name is Toktam Mahmoody and I'm a professor of communication engineering at King's College London. I'm also director of Center for Telecommunication Research at King's. Within the IEEE, I'm vice chair of two committees, one technical committee on aerial communication and one non-technical committee on women in communication engineering. So my main area of work is the wide area of telecommunication, basically, and communication networking. I have been working in the past decades or more on the advances in communication technologies and the kind of the generation of mobile networking as we have seen in more commercial type of products, 4G, 5G, and as we are now moving towards the next generation. So, I mean, as a whole, I work in scoping of next generation mobile networking, but in particular, I work on what we refer to as mission critical type applications, applications of mobile network that require very small latency or very high reliability or extensive coverage. And a good example of that is automated driving or autonomous vehicles, for example, self-driving cars, and telerobotic surgery and diagnosis, which of course are very mission critical and rely a lot on the quality of the network that you can provide for. I mean, the impact of wireless connectivity and the advances mobile communication brought to us in the past decade is really undeniable and have changed the way we live, we work, we play. We are in a completely different era. It's just because of what connectivity has offered us in the past 10 years, and I'm proud to be a contributor to this sector. What we would like to see more and more is that we can go beyond a simple broadband connectivity in offering mobile and wireless connections to domains where they really impact being able to further democratize the various facilities we have in life, being able to democratize labor in the society and how workforce is delivered. And so that's one of the main hope that the communication community, in particular, the type of work that I'm doing, we have for the impact of communications in the future society. Well, ComSoc offers the largest professional network that someone like me is part of, and we all know the value of professional networks. So it's been an instrumental tool in developing my career and many other people's careers like me. The major conferences, for example, that ComSoc organize in the year would offer that sort of community to come together and is a place for everybody to meet and brainstorm, discuss ideas, and also to create their professional network and connect to people internationally. I value the opportunities quite a lot, and I'm sure many other colleagues do. There are lots of amazing colleagues whom I met through ComSoc events. Yeah, I mean, one piece of advice to younger generation: to stay curious, to don't lose your passion for work, and never just settle in what you're asked to do. Because there are always lots of interesting and new frontiers to discover, and I mean, you could be one of them, one of those who open new frontiers. So stay curious and stay open-minded. ComSoc is where I connect because it gives me a feel of belonging to a wider community and a professional network of communication engineers.